Ply supercharges your productivity by letting you add your own features into the apps you use, from simple hacks to full-blown operating systems. Let's look at Gmail, for example. So here I'm in my Gmail account where I've added a few features. I just received this email requesting help, and I usually consult with my team on Slack about these things. So I have this button here, Send in Slack. This was built with Ply. And I get an interface right inside Gmail where I can search for channels from our Slack workspace and send a message like, please help. When I send this goes into Slack together with a snippet from my email. This is because Ply is contextual. That means you can use data from the item you're looking at. That could be an email in Gmail, a ticket in your support software, or a deal or a contact in your CRM. And you can use that when you build your own feature. But let's say I don't want to answer through Gmail. I actually want to use our support software. In our case, that's Intercom, but you can be using Zendesk or Freshdesk or anything else. So I created this feature, which helps me convert an email into a support ticket, in our case, a conversation. I'll assign myself and create the conversation. And the way I built this, I'm not only creating the conversation, but I also copy the URL of the new conversation to my clipboard. So if I open a new tab and paste that URL, I can continue exactly where I left off and basically answer that email from Intercom. So as you can see, this is the same exact user, and that's the message they sent me, and I can just answer through here. Now, let's say I have a Shopify store, and I want to either see orders from my customers or maybe refund them. So I created a feature to refund orders from Shopify directly from Gmail based on the email of the person I'm talking to. So this is live data from Shopify, and I can choose this order and refund it. And lastly, here I have an Airtable base with swag products, which you might want to give away, and one with swag orders. It's t-shirts and socks. And what I've built is a feature that lets me send swag directly from Gmail to someone I'm talking to. So if I'm talking to an investor or a partner or a customer or an employee, I can just click this button. And the way I built it is I need to choose if it's an employee, an investor, or a partner. And then when I go forward, this is data from my Airtable, which shows me, our stock or how many shirts we still have left in every color or socks or whatever it is. And I can choose whatever I want to send over. And I just created an order in my Airtable for this person. This could be a spreadsheet or any other data source. These are just a few examples. We're very early on, but we already support a lot of popular apps. If you want to supercharge your productivity, join our beta at ply.io. We'd love to get your feedback.